Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore about employees menu. This program is to entry all the employees data in our company. Employees data are very important for the company. It consists several variables like employee number, NPWP number, employee type, department, and job position. The company can monitor how many employees that they have, which employees still active or inactive, and the important function is to input employee who is in charge and who can access the system, or in a shorter way, it to give the employee access. And after we choose the employees menu, there will be several data that we have to fill, like employee type, okay, and department is written in red color. It means mandatory and we cannot perform save if we not fill it. Employee type has a different choice like permanent, non-permanent, contract worker, and contract worker non-standing. And we also can change the employee status. Okay. Employee status we can change something like this, like newcomer, experience, leave of absence, retirement, and dispatch. The main function of this menu is once again to organize each department's employee. For example, in sales department has 10 different employees. So make sure name, NPWP number, and employee name is accurate because same name maybe has different employee number. And that's the final explanation of employees menu. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.